Hello, and welcome to Asset Preservation's first tutorial on the new phone app. I would like to start by listing a couple reasons why this phone app will be of benefit to you. First of all, we are hoping to reduce and hopefully eliminate the number of times subcontractors will ever have to go back to a job to get additional pictures. Number two, we will automatically on this new phone app organize the pictures for items such as the dumpsters or number of trailers you have, or for pictures that go to window 1 versus window 2. It'll automatically organize those for you. And number 3 is to eliminate the number of having to take multiple PI7s at the same house on the same day. In other words, if you go to a house and you have 2 or 3 services you're going to perform, you no longer will have to take PI7s for each individually, each of those services. You'll only have to do it once, and then it'll copy it to the other ones. So without further ado, I'd like to start then in this training video by showing you how to download the new app. From the phone, you would select your browser. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You would go to the URL of app.aprsi.net, and here's what will come up. I will select download. I will then select install, and it will tell it to install. And now it's installing the software. And as we can see, it's now being installed, and it's now installed. I then will, before I actually click on that to log in, I'd like to share with you that on the title of the icon, you can see it says APRSI. This is 2.1.17. That's the version. So no longer will we have to actually go into the software login screen to find the version. It shows up here on the icon's title. So now let's go ahead and log in. I'm going to try to log in. Oh, since I just installed it, this iPhone that I'm on says I have to make sure that the phone itself knows this is a trusted website. So I select settings. I go to general. I go to device management. I select asset preservation, and I tell it to trust asset preservation. I then go back to the main screen, and now I can log in. It says, do you want to allow this the phone app to know where you are, your location? I'm going to say yes. And I'm going to hit OK on that. And now I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'm going to log in as Shane. And I've done that. And so when I log in, for those of you that already have a login name, a username, and a password, that remains the same. So it's identical to what you are currently used to. So without further ado, I'm now going to end this first training video on how to download, install, and log in to the phone app. Thank you very much.